Okay, so we have our timer inputs and our decimal counter outputs and our XOR outputs. Now, when the output or the signal is at 0, that means it's considered active. So for the first period of the timer here, the output of A is active, and then for the second period, it is inactive. And that flip-flop back and forth every period of the timer input. Now, the period of B is double that of A. So as you can see, for 2 periods of A, you get 2 periods, one active and one inactive of A, you get an active period of B. And you can see as it doubles consistently. Now as we have C, you get the same thing, the period doubles, but on the second period it stops because we reset to 0. So it will remain active instead of continuing on to its next inactive state. Same thing with D. We start out active all the way to 8 seconds and where it goes inactive, but then resets back to active because of the reset. If these were all to stay consistent with the timer going on, this would double this, or this would double this, C would double B, D would double C. Now, D and C, you can see, as you can see here, while they're both active, XOR is, for this case, inactive, where the light does not turn on, and then when it hits 4, one is active and one is inactive, making it turn on. And then, as you can see here, these both switch to one's active, one is inactive, so it stays on until it goes back to 0, and both remain active, making XOR.